Hey guys, welcome back to the channel if it is your first time here. I'm back today for part 2 of this Ikea shop with me, and we're going through the second half of the store today, starting with the cushion section, so let's jump into it. There are a few new covers in right now. This one with the poppies is nice for a bit of a spring theme, and it's got a nice red colour accent there. They also have this waffle fabric one which has a lovely soft texture. This one comes in a few different colours, but I love this soft pink colour, although it looks a little bit dull on camera. I really liked this black woven cover as well. This one feels really thick and luxurious, it's good quality, and it's got a great textured look, and it's definitely a bit of a statement piece. Here's the waffle one again in a very cheery yellow colour, again a nice one for spring and a nice splash of colour. This pale pink one has a lovely feel to it. It's a beautiful soft washed linen. This one is very luxurious, and this one comes in a few other colours as well. Here's the waffle one again in a soft sort of navy colour if you like a bit of a darker theme. And this pastel blue is new in this range. These are made of recycled polyester and are very cheap and very hard wearing. Something about the pattern on this grey one is giving me a bit of a corporate vibe, which I don't love, I must say. They've definitely got a great selection of cushion covers, as always, at Ikea. I thought this laundry hamper, basket, trolley thing was very cute. It's got a very country cottage feel to it with the wicker basket and the white fabric liner. You could definitely use this as a portable laundry hamper, but I also thought it could be cute as a little shopping trolley for groceries as well. My nan has a grocery trolley, and this one is much cuter than the one she has, that's for sure. Ikea has such a large range of table lamps. I love checking out all of the funky lamp ideas at Ikea. They have some really cute rattan style lamps in at the moment, and they're all really affordable as well. I love the natural look. Any of these would be a great way to add some soft ambient light to a room. Lighting is super important, but it's something that often gets overlooked. Try to make sure that you always have a bit of ambient light, like a table lamp or a floor lamp, in all spaces of your home. Overhead lighting can sometimes be a bit too bright or too harsh, and using lamps to light your space will give it a warmer, cozier feeling that will make your space feel and look so much more inviting and relaxing. I love this spherical light. It very much reminds me of a full moon. It's quite a statement piece. It's fairly large in size, and it's also made of glass. This one next door is also glass. It's quite a bit smaller though, and it is also on a wooden stand, so this one would be good for a little bit of a smaller space. Now, both of these lamps also have a range of different colour settings that you can see on display here. The round one is just totally giving me cool, moony vibes with all of these different colours. These colour options are a really fun little feature that add a whole other element to these lamps. These old-timey table lamps are very cool. These could work really well with an industrial style or even a farmhouse type theme. I think these ones have a really nice design to them, and they're super compact, so it would be a great way to add a bit of soft light to even the smallest nook or cranny. I'm super into this style of lamp with the clear glass spaces at the moment. I think these are definitely an up-and-coming trend, and I think we'll be seeing a lot more of these over the next few months. I certainly hope so. This one is quite a statement. It's really large, and the ashy glass colour of the base looks very chic and elegant. I also quite like this one next door, which is a bit smaller and has some ribbing in the glass. These woven floor lamps are very cool. They almost look like giant lanterns. You could match these up with their smaller table lamp counterparts for a very cohesive look. I really love these little candle holders. These are great for big, thick candles. They're ceramic and they have a really simple rib design on them. They're really classic and timeless. I really wanted these, but they were just a little bit expensive at $8 each, so I might be back for these another day. These gold lotus flower tea light candle holders are just bloody delightful. They've definitely got a bit of an oriental vibe about them, and the gold gives them a bit of a glam look as well. These would look awesome in like a set of 3 or just on their own, and they're pretty well priced at $7 each. They also have these kind of geometric framed tea light holders at $9. I thought these were pretty funky as well. If you're the type of person that can't keep even a cactus alive, you might be interested in these cute as little ceramic cactus sets. I am loving the colours and the textures on these ones, and you sure as shit can't kill these, and they are just so darn cute. If you've got a black thumb but don't like fake plants, this would be a really cool way to add some greenery to your space, and you can be guaranteed these ones are not going to die on you. I don't usually like the look of fake plants that much, but I gotta say these fake cacti are actually not too bad, and they actually look pretty realistic considering they are fakies. I guess it is probably a bit easier to get away with a fake cactus over other types of plants. They have them in a small size, but they also have them in a larger set as well if you want something that's going to take up a little bit more space. They have quite a large range of fake flowers and plants in at the moment. Poppies are my favourite flower, so this poppy bouquet definitely caught my eye. Again, this one isn't too bad as far as fake flowers go. I actually like that this bouquet is wrapped up like a real bouquet in paper. This could be a fun alternative to gift someone instead of a real bouquet, because these babies will obviously live forever. You can also get the poppies in a single stem version as well. These ones look like a California poppy. I do really like these ones as well. They're really good fakes. A few of these would look really nice for a simple flower display in a nice vase. These pink ones are also very cute. I think these ones are poppies as well. But guys, I will admit the fake flower range at Ikea is poppin' right now. There are so many different options, and I must say I'm not usually a big fake flower person, but a lot of these actually look halfway decent as far as fake flowers go. So definitely check out Ikea if you are looking for some nice fake flowers for your house. Now this glass pot is a new variation on the very popular Gradvis pot. I like the idea of this, but I'm not sure how good this would actually look once you have a plant inside of it, because you're going to be able to see the pot inside. So realistically, this would be best for something in a clear plastic pot and not a black pot. This would actually be particularly good for orchids because the glass will let the roots get a little bit of light, which is really good for orchid plants. And they also have this one in a smaller size as well. I thought this little watering can was very dainty, and it has a very stylish design to it with its creamy white colour and gold handle. Because this is designed so nicely and looks so good, you could definitely display it on your shelf as part of your home decor, so it's a nice little 2-for-1 in that aspect. This large 9-litre watering can also has a pretty cool design to it. I love the wooden handle. It's a little farmhouse, a little English cottagey, but I must say the spout on this seems like weirdly long. It looks kind of like a bit out of proportion to me. This one is big enough to use outdoors as well, and it's definitely much better looking than the average plastic watering can. These plant pot basket things are also pretty cool. I like the natural fibres in this one, and I am loving the plastic lining in here too. This obviously makes it much easier to water your plants without worrying about ruining the actual plant pot. These bucket style rattan ones with the handles also have a really nice natural look. These also have the plastic lining in them as well, and both of these are a really decent size, so you could easily fit a larger plant like a monstera or a large palm or even a tree in these ones. I really liked this 3-tiered wooden plant shelf. I know it's in the outdoor section, but you could totally use this indoors as well as outdoors. It would look really awesome in the corner of a room with a few nice plants on there. It was on sale on clearance for only $25, and I totally regret not getting it at the time, and now I can't find it online, so I hope they haven't discontinued it. I also saw this cool deck chair that is also on clearance, and again, I really regret not getting this at the time because I love this unique design and it was actually really comfortable as well, although it was very low to the ground. I can't seem to find this on the Ikea website now, so if you like this and you see it in store, jump on it because sadly it looks like it might be discontinued now. These DIY pavers are very similar to the ones that we looked at in Kmart the other day in another shop with me, but these ones are actually made of acacia wood. They're definitely better quality, they look much nicer, and they're even cheaper per piece than the ones at Kmart. So Ikea is definitely the better option for these ones. That's all from me for this Ikea shop with me, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, and I'll see you back here next week for my Ikea haul where I show you all of the awesome products that I bought here today. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!